We're asked to solve the following question. The sides AB and AC of a triangle lie on the lines 2x minus y equals 5 and x plus 3y equals 13, respectively. Given that C is the point negative 2, 5, and that the angle ABC is 90 degrees, what are the coordinates of A and B? So I've graphed my two lines. And I know that this angle is 90 degrees. So it says in the question that AC lies on this line and that AB lies on this line. So the point they have in common has to be A. Where is A? It's the solution to 2x minus y equals 5 at the same time as x plus 3y equals 13. You have a few different ways to solve this. I'm going to multiply this whole equation by 3. Gives me 6x minus 3y equals 15. Add the two equations. 7x equals 28. X equals 4. Plugging it back into here. 8 minus y equals 5. So y equals 3. So this gives me 4, 3 is what A is. B is a little bit trickier because they didn't give us the equation of this line, but they did give us the slope, because the slope of this one is 2. And so the slope of this one has to be the negative reciprocal because they're perpendicular. So this is negative 1/2 is the slope. And I'm going to use point slope form with my point being C. So I get point slope form is y minus the y coordinate equals m times x minus the x coordinate. So y minus 5 equals m, which is negative 1/2, times x minus the x coordinate. The x coordinate's negative. Subtracting a negative means you add 2. Adding 2. So I get y equals negative 1/2 x minus 1. And then to get this over to this side, I have to add 5 to both sides. That's where it came from. Plus 5. So y equals negative 1/2 x plus 4. The other equation was this one, which is 2x minus y equals 5. So 2x equals 5 plus y, or 2x minus 5 equals y. But I also already knew that y was this. So this equals negative 1/2 x plus 4. I'm going to cut out the middleman, add 1/2 x to each side. This gives me 5/2 x on this side. Add 5 to both sides equals 4 plus 5 is 9. So x equals 9 times 2, which is 18, over 5, which is 3.6. And then plug this back in to, we'll say, this equation. And I get that y equals negative 1.8 plus 4, which is 2.2. So the equation, or the coordinates of B are 3.6, 2.2.